all about love. Notice the numbers 1581 right there. My name is Pythagoras JHE. For the video about this grasshopper I did, missing a back leg and a wing. All about love, microphone check 1, 2. All about mental health and hope for those who are tired of CNN and Fox News and doom and gloom and bad news. It's missing a back leg and a wing and it flies and it still crawls on my wall. Can any of you do that? And the star of the show is right here. Pardon me, a bit blurry. Let's focus that sucker a little bit more. And there she is, the grasshopper, in my blinds, missing a leg, climbing between a foreign object, choosing my house to pass away in. Now, last summer, the same thing happened. A grasshopper chose my house to have its last days in. Now, all about insects and nature. People, you have in your lovely, beautiful brain a locus coeruleus in your brain. It handles stress and anxiety. Now, etymology, locus, that word pertains to what? William is Bill. A locust or a grasshopper. So what they do, you can do. An insect is a locust. Your grasshoppers, what do? They lose their wings and their leg to fight off predators. And the legs don't grow back for insects. But they sacrifice one leg, one eye symbol, Illuminati. But they still live on. They didn't get eaten. Now, what are your predators for your grasshopper? Because your brain is this. Birds, lizards, reptilian race, mantids, spiders, and rodents. What is the human's predator? Wow. Now, interestingly enough, your lizard people, your Lacerta lizard, will lose its tail, but it grows back. That's insects and lizards. And it's all about self-defense. Do you know how to defend yourself while they lose their legs? Do you have a reptilian brain? Do you know how to come back from being hurt and broken from bad news? You have a Lacerta constellation, a lizard, reptilian, insect symbol. The tail is making the number 666 because 6 protons, electrons, the neutrons in your DNA, and your Illuminati love the number 6 for sex. Playing with you, mind control. In your Ramayana, damn it, you have demons whose heads grow back like the tail of a lizard. You have a demon, mailer daemon in your email. Damn it, your daemon is a demon. Now, sexual assault victims. You have 1 million adolescents suffer. You have how many women? 22 million women, right? And 1 million men suffer from sexual assault from predators. But children. Now, you have phosphorus, the morning star, astrology, in your urine where you pee. It means to bear children, adolescents. What happens to them? Insects and reptilians happens to you. Lucifer is you. Lucifer is Satan or Saturn, morning star, Venus astrology, and it also means to bear children. Wow. Now, today omens. I received these omens today. I saw 153 today on a license plate. Get your name decoded by me ASAP for only a $50 donation. Another car across from my house. 351 is JHE, the prime numbers of JHE in Chaldean. 155 is JHE in Chaldean, my birth name, in which, of course, the prime numbers are 531. Magic. And in the link, if you look here, you see 531 for the actual image that I showed you. What are the odds? Shame on you astrologers overcharging. Prime numbers of 155 of 531, 155, 11 for 2. In Chaldean, JHE is what? 155 is my birth name, JHE, in which you see JHE here in my own YouTube link, and the number 2 for Venus, the 2, 155. That is magic. And darn it, JHE is the birth name. Now, JHE, my birth name, appeared in front of my job. Now, 155, 11 for 2 is the moon and Venus. 2. Wow. Now, damn it, Venus, the planet, has insects or the orb on it. Don't kill them, and if they come in your house, it's an omen. Here is your NASA's version of Venus, fake Photoshop, and Venus green with a Nikon P900 camera. Someone is a predator to your brain. Now, Today I received also more omens. My credit cards have the numbers 155 on them and 15-8. That's JHE and Pythagoras. JHE and Pythagoras is the J is a 1, the E is a 5, and the H is an 8. Hare Krishna Shiva Boom Om JHE. Yes, and we are the problem, not your Illuminati. If we kill insects, eat animals, and don't know our symbols, and why you're all suffering, and don't know how to survive, are you willing to take the knee and lose a leg and still fly, and be an awesome person with arthritis or mental health? Or do you use your mental health as a badge? Wow, and Shiva said was fire. Incredible work, Jay.